Hotsy offers durable, commercial-grade pressure washers built for any size job, big or small. Hotsy has become the #1 pressure washer brand due in large part to our network of authorized dealers located throughout North America. Your local Hotsy dealer has a tremendous amount of hands-on cleaning knowledge while providing the utmost in customer service.
We always recommend Hotsy because I know if I send a guy over to Hotsy, he's going to go over there and get his questions answered. I want my customers to be looked after, and Hotsy will do that.
Hotsy helped me through many jobs. If I had a problem or a question, I picked up the phone and they'd walk me through it.
With so many models available, deciding which one you need is often overwhelming. Why worry when you can trust the expertise of a cleaning specialist? When you invest in a pressure washer from a Hotsy dealer, you have the assurance of knowing that your Hotsy has been assembled, tested, and fine-tuned before delivery. Plus, they are there for service and support after the sale. You won't find this at a big box retailer or when ordering from a low-cost online store.
We've had Hotsy washers for 10 or 12 years. It's just a very important piece of equipment on our farm. Convenient to use, easy to use. It's key in our farm equipment. It does everything we need it to do for us.
Hotsy dealers are a one-stop shopping resource, stocking thousands of genuine pressure washer replacement parts and accessories, as well as Hotsy detergents. A Hotsy cleaning specialist will recommend the best detergent for your application and water conditions, setting your Hotsy to use the least amount of water or detergent possible while still cleaning to your expectations. For customers using large amounts of detergent, Hotsy dealers offer bulk size delivery from store to door, so you never run out of soap. When it comes to repairs, you can count on Hotsy for quick, reliable service. Factory-trained, certified technicians have extensive experience in troubleshooting and repair. Technicians are on the road daily with a fully stocked service vehicle, performing repairs and scheduled maintenance at your location, as well as in-house. Hotsy products carry one of the best warranties in the industry. When you need warranty service, there are over 150 local Hotsy dealers across the country who will quickly have your equipment up and running.
The biggest thing for oil and gas is when you need it yesterday, and they've definitely come through for us.
I had a service call here last week and I made one quick call and the service guy was out within a couple hours, had us up and running before the end of the day.
Your Hotsy dealer offers more than just a standard pressure washer. They offer a wash system designed for your toughest cleaning problems. The initial on-site survey, equipment recommendation, delivery, installation, setup, and training are all parts of the service provided by your local dealer with a washing system.
We wanted to have a good wash bay because it was very important, and we wanted to make sure that we had steady hot water. That was the main thing, where you come in with snow and ice or mud and dirt, where you would have enough hot water to make sure everything gets washed off properly. Since the driver's been using it the last couple of weeks, they say what a difference. Lots of pressure. Two guys can be in there washing at the same time, and it works great.
You won't find another company locally that offers the products and services available at a Hotsy dealership. The only thing stronger than a Hotsy is the commitment our dealers make to customer service.
I love dealing with the customers. I mean, they're #1. And all we do is sell and service pressure washers, parts washers, cleaning equipment. If you want to buy a pressure washer from us, we have it in stock. If you need service, we're there to service it. If you have a problem, we're not running away, we're going to look after it.
Hotsy dealers have been meeting the needs of professionals since 1970. The relationship they build with customers is truly a partnership. They provide cleaning solutions for companies big and small and excel at understanding their customers' needs.
We farm just short of 3,000 acres. We're 7 miles from any pavement here. So any type of rain we have, we're instantly dirty. Hotsy is something that gets used about daily here. We like to have a clean image. It just ended up becoming a very important piece of equipment on our farm. They've always treated us fine, always gave us good service, reliability. Our dealer support is key. The quality of the product and our service is why we want to keep coming back.
To find your local Hotsy dealer, visit www.hotsy.com. You'll find more information on the products and services we have to offer.